Are you a DIY fan or a professional contractor? Do you spend more time than you'd like cleaning up after using your angle grinder? The MAXVAC Universal Angle Grinder Shrouds keep cleanup to a minimum and provide you with essential protection against harmful dust by catching it all at the source. Whether you're cutting metal, tile, stucco or paving stones, rooting out mortar, sanding or sharpening, our MAXVAC Angle Grinder Shrouds will make sure you can get the job done with next to no mess. Available for 115 by 125mm grinders and 180 by 230mm grinders, our shrouds fit most brands of grinders, from AEG and Bosch to Hitachi and Panasonic, and allow cutting to full depth with optimum visibility. Supplied with a flexible vacuum adapter and fixed vacuum adapter cuff, our shrouds fit most professional vacuum cleaners. Simply secure your shroud to your angle grinder as instructed, locate the vacuum hose, twist and lock, and you're good to go. Easy to use and easy on the cleaning. Our MAXVAC Grinder Shroud will collect any dust produced while ensuring you still have full cutting depth and optimal visibility. What's more, it doesn't get in your way while you operate your angle grinder. Both sizes of grinder shroud can take a mortar raking disc up to 10mm in thickness and offer easy blade access. Save yourself some time and look after your lungs with a MAXVAC Angle Grinder Shroud. Find out more on max-vac.com.